Hi, in Hebrew, Lashon HaKodesh in the Holy Tongue, words that are similar also in meaning and content. The word Eretz, land, earth, ground. The word Ratzon, will, desire, wanting. And the word Ritzah and Ratz, running, are all interconnected. Our sages explain that there is a nature that God has put in the earth that is running and expanding in a way that doesn't exist anywhere else. You plant a seed in one particular spot in the ground and it runs, it expands. There is nothing that stands in the way of a will. There is a will, there is a way. When someone wants something, goes for it full force. And there is nothing could stop the person from getting there. Those are all interconnected. And for that reason, our sages tell us that our holy land is called Eretz Yisrael, not only Yisrael, but Eretz Yisrael, the land of Israel, Al Shem Sheratzta La'asot Retzon Kona. The Holy Land, there is a desire, there is holiness, there is a wanting, an urge to do more. And our prophets are telling us that we, the Jewish people, are called Eretz Chefetz, a land of desires, a land that Hashem desires because we are running, we want. There is always looking for another mitzvah to do. The Baal Shem Tov, founder of the Hasidic movement, whose birthday we're celebrating this coming Sunday night and Monday, Chai Elul, on the 18th of Elul, explains a verse in the beginning of the Parsha of today that speaks about the mitzvah of Bikurim, of first fruits, where the Torah says when you'll come into the land that Hashem is giving you, and you'll inherit it, and you'll dwell in it, and you'll plant, and the earth will give out fruits, the first fruits should go to Hashem. The Baal Shem Tov says, Ki tavo el haaretz, when you come to the land, when you will come to a moment where you have a desire and a wanting and a running to do something, then dwell on it. Don't let it run away. Do something with it. Make the vessels, make it happen in a way that wanting should have a lasting impact, should last and should remain, and should not only be today I want, tomorrow I'm gone. I'll share with you a little story. In the early 80s, 81 and 82, I had the merit of being part of a group of yeshiva students who were sent by the Rabbi to Morocco to be part, to establish a yeshiva, to help with working with youth and with seniors, to bring more Torah study and Judaism to the community. We wanted to come to the Rabbi to spend the holidays of Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, and Sukkot with the Rabbi in New York for the holidays of 82, sorry. We asked the Rabbi, and we merited to have an answer from the Rabbi in a letter format, where the Rabbi has asked us to divide the group. Half of us should come for the first part of the month, for Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, and the second one for Sukkot, in order not to interrupt the work of the community in Casablanca, in Morocco. The letter said the one group from Chai Elul, from the 18th of Elul until after Yom Kippur, and the second one for Sukkot till after Shabbat Breshit. The Rebbe added a word with his holy handwriting The letter was typed. The Rebbe added the word tavo. One should come for Chai Elul, for the 18th of Elul. We got the letter, and we thought, wow, why did the Rebbe add this word? Because it's the parsha of this week. The parsha of this week is Tavo, Parashat Ki Tavo, the parsha of when you'll come to the land. That night, when we had the merit of receiving the letter from the Rebbe, we sat down for a Farbrengen, for a Hasidic gathering with one of the shluchim of the Rebbe's emissaries to Morocco, our mentor, Rabbi Raskin of blessed memory. And he Farbrenged with us and he explained the following, and he said, you think the Rebbe added a word just in order to connect it to the Parsha to make a nice speech, to make a nice commentary? Much deeper than that. The Rebbe is telling you, Rabbi Raskin is telling us, you should come into Chai Elul. V'haya ki tavo el haaretz. When you have a desire, when you have a run, get in there. Internalize it. Don't let it be just on the surface. Internalize your coming in from the 18th of Elul until after Yom Kippur. We are 2 weeks before Rosh Hashanah, before the New Year. The 10 days, Yamim Noraim, where we're going to assure a good year, a healthy one and a happy one, and a successful one. It's not enough just to get excited because of these days and then it came and went, comes and goes. Ki tavo el haaretz. Penetrate. Take the opportunity of this desire that you have, of this excitement, of this Yom Tov, internalize it, live with it, and make it happen. We're all, comes to New Year, to Rosh Hashanah, we make New Year resolutions. Birthdays, we make birthday resolutions. Ki tavo el haaretz. Put it in a vessel. V'rishta v'yashavta ba. V'samta v'tene. Put it in the basket. Make it part of your life. And we will be assured, ektiva v'chatima tova, a good year, l'shana tova u'metuka, and a sweet year, betov hanire ve'anigle, in good that is visibly good and appreciated as good. Good Shabbos, Shabbat Shalom.